Hi friends! Welcome to the English Family Story. Please like and subscribe.
Let's learn English with fun. See you in today's story.
Today is shopping day.
Yes! Let's have fun together.
Dad, can I sit by the window?
Yes, but don't forget your seatbelt.
Wow, I can see the shopping mall.
Today will be a wonderful day.
This mall is so big.
Let's explore every shop together.
Dad, look at that giant teddy bear.
Maybe we have a surprise waiting for you.
This teddy is so soft.
It's almost as big as you.
I love it.
Please keep this a surprise.
Don't worry, I understand.
Wow, so many candies.
Choose only your favorite.
Mom, you look beautiful.
Thank you, my sweet girl.
Sir, there is one more surprise. What surprise?
What's wrong, Daddy?
A special discount. Oh, a discount! Congratulations, you won a free gift.
Really? Is it for us?
Yes, it's all yours. Enjoy. Wow, Emma, that's wonderful.
I want to surprise Mom. Please don't tell anyone. This is all my money.
Your mom will love it.
Did everyone enjoy today?
Yes, very much.
Looks like someone's hiding something. Emma, why are you smiling?
It's a little secret.
Let's unpack everything.
Okay, but wait a little. Perfect, they'll never find it here. Mom, this is for you.
For me? Thank you, sweetheart. It's beautiful.
I bought it with my savings.
That's very thoughtful, Emma. Emma, we are very proud of you.
I love my family.
Hey everyone, moral of the story: money can buy gift, but love makes every gift special. A happy family shares kindness, love, and beautiful memories together. Thank you.